Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to be covering some essential GRE vocabulary words and concepts to help you ace your GRE exam. The GRE is a challenging exam, but with the right preparation and study materials, you can achieve a great score. One of the key components of the GRE is the vocabulary section, which tests your knowledge of complex and challenging words. To help you succeed, we're going to be covering some important GRE vocabulary words that you need to know. Our first word is aberrant. This word refers to something that is abnormal or deviates from the norm. Our next word is bucolic, which means relating to the countryside or rural life. Another important word to know is cacophony, which refers to a harsh, discordant sound. Finally, we have desiccate, which means to dry out or remove moisture from something. By understanding these words and their meanings, you'll be better equipped to tackle the GRE vocabulary section. So that's it for our introduction to GRE vocabulary. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more GRE tips and tricks, and don't forget to leave a comment letting me know which vocabulary words you find most challenging. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.